How are geometry formulas used in sports and design? Have you ever thought about how geometry shapes the world of sports and design? It might surprise you how much geometry formulas influence performance and creativity in these fields. Let's break it down. Geometry formulas are essential for understanding shapes, angles, distances, and how they relate to one another. In sports, these formulas help athletes improve their game. For instance, in soccer, players use angles to enhance their throw-ins. The best angle for a throw-in is around 30 degrees, which is different from the classic 45 degrees used in projectile motion. This is because players throw at higher speeds from lower angles. Teams also use geometric strategies, like forming triangles on the field, to keep possession of the ball and create space. This strategy is evident in the tiki-taka style of play. Goalkeepers apply geometry by positioning themselves to minimize the angle and space available for a striker, making it harder to score. The design of the soccer ball itself incorporates polygons and tessellation patterns, which help it maintain consistent performance. In basketball, geometry plays a vital role in determining the best angles for shots. Players often use bank shots, where the ball bounces off the backboard. They intuitively calculate angles and trajectories to increase their chances of scoring. Coaches and analysts apply geometry and algebra to predict shot success from various positions on the court, which helps in training and strategy development. Other sports also relying on geometry formulas. Tennis players utilize the Pythagorean theorem to understand the ball's path during cross-court shots, which align with the hypotenuse of a right triangle formed by the court. Football players and coaches use angles to plan routes and tackles, optimizing their movements for both offense and defense. In golf, geometry is evident in the spherical shape of the ball, the trapezoidal face of the club, and the layout of fairways and sand traps, which often feature rectangles and circles. When it comes to design, geometry formulas are crucial for creating and analyzing shapes and structures. Designers apply formulas for areas, perimeters, volumes, and angles to ensure that objects meet the desired dimensions and stability. For example, understanding polygons is important for creating patterns and tessellations, while knowledge of circles and arcs is vital for designing curved surfaces and rounded objects. In summary, geometry formulas provide the foundation for understanding shapes and spatial relationships. This knowledge is essential for optimizing performance in sports and creating effective designs. By breaking down complex movements and structures into basic geometric elements, athletes and designers can make precise calculations that lead to improved outcomes and innovative solutions.